this video we will show you how to grow pak choi from seed in your kitchen and use it in a delicious meal. While it's winter and snow outside, our pak choi is thriving inside. These are 6 weeks old, ready to harvest. Late November we planted some seeds in our kitchen NFT system. We sow in rockwool cubes and drop the cubes directly into the NFT. We cover the holes with domes to trap the moisture. The first week the system has no nutrients, just tap water. After 1 week, we add nutrients to bring the EC level to 0.5. We have now increased EC to about 0.8. The night temperature is about 20 to 21 degrees. Day temperature is 23 degrees with 27 under the light. EC is now about 1. It's Christmas time and the plants are 4 weeks old. The water temperature is a bit high, but there is no root rot and the plants are really thriving. The grow light we use is by the Farmer SF600. Unfortunately, we don't have more time lapse, but this is the plants after 5 weeks. And finally, after 6 weeks, the pak choi is ready for harvest. Now they are really massive. Very fresh and crunchy. No pesticides, no need to wash. And extremely short traveled. It's very crunchy and juicy. Let's make a pak choi ball. Some noodles, optional chicken, adding top of leaves a bit later. Add some more wok sauce. See the wok recipe in the description. Now it's your turn to give it a try. If you're curious about how the roots looks like, you can see they look really healthy.